Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to another exciting video from Slovakia, and today we're gonna be climbing another Via Ferrata. This time it's called Veze and it's gonna be epic with the drone footage. Let's get started! Alright, and here we're on a Via Ferrata Veze near the city of Ružomberok. And it's newly opened Ferrata. It literally opened like a month ago when we were climbing here in October 2019. And there are about 10 different routes here of different levels, so hopefully we're gonna have time to try them all. So let's get climbing. Alright, and here we got up to one of the towers where you have this little forest and a platform, and I'm gonna just fly a drone from here, so hopefully you're gonna enjoy the footage. And down here you can see the main road for cars, which is about 10 minutes of hiking from the Veze Via Ferrata. Here I'm flying from the other side of this tower, and you can see it's pretty steep, so Via Ferrata goes right up this rock, but it's not too difficult of a climbing. It's maybe a sea level the most, because there are metal steps installed on the wall. So it's more about overcoming the fear of heights of climbing on this steep wall than about the difficulty of climbing. And over here you can see a one Via Ferrata climber just going up right underneath me. So it seems like he's going up a really steep wall, but there are actually little metal steps that he's climbing up on. I gave the controller from the drone to Sanya so she can record me going up the wall. Alright, and here are some snippets of the vegan food that we order from the vegan restaurants. Alright, and over here we are on another walk in the region of Low Tatras. And I'm flying a drone from one of the hills, which was pretty deforested. So it's great for flying drones, you don't have to worry about trees being around. But on the other hand, it doesn't look very good, this deforestation here. Some deforestation could be from very strong winds that are pretty typical in these mountainous regions. But illegal logging is also not uncommon here. So for example, there is a little disaster from the wind, but they take it over the edge and just cut even more. One of the main reasons why these trees are so easily destroyed by the strong winds is that they only plant here one kind of the pine tree that is growing fast, but it's not very strong. In November 2004 there was actually a big disaster in High Tatras when a really strong wind with a speed of up to 200 kilometers an hour ran through High Tatras and decimated a lot of forests. If they also planted some of the leafy trees that take longer time to grow, but they have stronger roots and stronger trunks, so they would support and protect the pine trees. But the reason why there are only these fast growing pine trees is for the business that was here during the Soviet Union, when these mountainous parts of Slovakia were mainly used for the logging of woods. So they're only planting trees that are really fast growing so they can make the most profit here. here I'm flying drone again from another place, but this time in High Tatras. You can see it's also quite deforested here. And as you can see over here, they don't even attempt to replant this forest. They just leave it to grow with the grass, which is not really good, because then the wind can catch more speed and destroy even more forests. Alright adventurers, that's it for our adventures from Slovakia. I was mostly recording with the drone because the quality of the footage from the Canon camera was not good again because of the wrong settings. And next we're coming back to Serbia for more autumn adventures. So stay tuned for future videos, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.